Hi guys, my name is McKenna. I'm just a camera girl, but Mackenzie's go in the bathroom right now. Today we're gonna be doing taking our dog and having him a bath. Mackenzie's fighting with my big sister right now, so yeah, that's my dog right here. Try not to restart it again. Oh, and he just ran away again. No. Okay, bye. We had a big spider outside. We named him Bob, and now he's gone. That's why I'm kind of scared now. Let's go in here. Oh! Hannah! Someone's knocking on the door.
Oh crap, Sadie's here.
Hannah, don't say that. In front of the camera, it's still rolling. Kenzie?
Hi. You ready to go?
Yeah. You can't see the people.
Okay.
Okay, bye, Hannah. Have fun. Hannah, what soap what soap does mom use for Tough? Just asking.
I have that black thing in my bag. Bye.
Okay. We don't need the TV anyways. Kenzie, I had to restart the video. So that's why I just quietly said, okay, now we're not gonna use any soap for Tough. So Hannah won't know. Oh, you figured it out already? Okay, where's Tough? He's outside, so we literally have to chase him. No one can see my face. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go chase around Tough. So, guys, I would be right back. Okay, guys, I got my dog back inside. Hello, guys. Did the intro without me? What?
Did the intro without you?
Yes, because he wasn't here.
Oh my god. Well, guys, as you know, we're going to give our dog a bath.
Yes, so pick up
He's
the dog.
dirty. He hasn't had a bath in weeks.
Neither have I.
If you know what I mean.
He knows what we're talking about. I can see those eyes.
Oh, come on, divorce. But
Yeah, see, he made that line. He doesn't like baths that much, but he's not gonna jump out.
yeah, he's a good dog.
This might be the boring video ever, except for that boring video I made that said most boring video ever. You can watch that, but it's boring.
Tough is almost
Taller in the bathtub.
tough. Is that good for you?
Yeah, you should really fill it up more, Mackenzie.
Okay,
Kenzie, no, that's gonna scare Tough to death. Oh my god, Mackenzie. You guys, say in the comments, do you think that's the right amount of water for our dog to have, or more or less?
I'm trying to wash you.
We got a cup ready.
Okay, give me the cup. Make sure to wash it once out.
It doesn't look that
Your
bad.
legs are glowing.
Kenzie, here you go.
Okay.
Here's a cup. Now, it's cool in here. No one can see my face in this mirror of holes. Now people can see my face. Okay, enough about that. Caution, you cannot get your dog's ears wet. Of course, everybody knows that. This might be the second boring video ever. So Mackenzie, why you wash our dog that looks so innocent right now?
He's like, let's go.
Mackenzie, now you walk around with the
off a little bit.
But can my hands are oily?
Then dry it. Wait,
Because one more, that's all. Now, take the camera, because I want to try my dog. It's my dog too, you know. So guys, the person that hosts this channel is going to take the person who actually makes the channel is me. I edit it and stuff, guys. Yes, but I'm only the camera girl, and I also make the ideas sometimes. So now here, take the camera. Now you can go do something or watch me. Or I just my dog could do it the professional way. Just kidding. We have no idea what soap to use, so I'm not using these soaps. Go get it. I'll be waiting for you. Hello? Hi, Mom. What do you want? Why? We haven't had a bath for weeks. Okay, bye. Love you. Guys, my mom just called and she thinks that we'll have a bath, and she said we're not gonna have a bath until she gets home. So we better quick. Just take a little bit water and put it on his head. Don't get his ears. Okay, now that should be enough. Now I'll dry him. We'll both dry. So I will pick him up, put this, get ready. Just guys, you can't really see this. So we'll just put you right here, guys. You can kind of see what we're gonna do. I will pick him up. Okay, no, it's okay. You get the towel ready. Just open it up. Come on, you baby boy. Oh, you wet. Take it. He shaved. Now I have to change my clothes. Oh no, I don't believe it. Okay, tough. Kinsey, pick him up, put him on your lap, sit on the toilet. That's what he does. Oh, okay. Whoa. I'm trying not to get your camera wet, Mackenzie. So he shook his wet body all over me, and now I'm wet. Oh, I can see myself in the mirror through the camera. Wait. Guys, if we get in trouble, it's not your guys' fault. Of course it isn't! Yeah, because we're just here to entertain. It is not feeling entertaining. Hey guys, just to make sure, tomorrow, our friend Zoe is coming over. Our friend has a dog. They're going away for 2 days, so they have a dog. So the dog's coming over here for 2 days. So we're gonna make a video of that, just to be aware. Tuffer's gonna have a new friend. What's a treat? What's a treat for being a good boy? Look. You guys probably can't see it, but look at all that wet. You've been a good boy. You're so wet. We're so wet. Kenzie, you should try them more. He's a good boy for standing in the tub. He deserves a treat. And Hannah, why would she leave her food out here? And why would she leave her sisters at home when she knows that we're just going to do it anyways? Because we don't kind of listen to her. Yeah, we don't kind of listen to her. We're savage. We're savage. No, we're not. We don't listen to any single parent say. Yes, we do. We do, unless we want to get in trouble. And Rich was savage. He's wet, and he's laying on a big giant mattress with dirty crumbs on it. So, come on, Tough, go shake your body off. Well, guys, I'm afraid that's going to be the shortest video we ever done. No, so it's like 9 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe and leave a comment below what do you think, what kind of challenge we should do next. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye. I feel so lonely.